Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to export a frame as an image or a Photoshop file. Let's begin! Let's start! Move the playhead to the position you want to begin to export the image. Select Save Frame As File from the Composition tab in the menu bar. Composition has been added to the Render Queue panel in the same way as rendering the video. When you click Photoshop from Output Module menu, the Output Module Settings dialog will be displayed, so select JPEG Sequence from the Format menu. If you click the Format Options button, the JPEG Options dialog will be displayed, so adjust the image quality and click the OK button. You can also change the exporting size by checking Resize. When you click the OK button, the rendering settings will be complete, so you can export it by clicking the Rendering button. Next, let's save one frame as a Photoshop layer. Move the playhead on the timeline panel to the positions of the frame you want to save as a Photoshop layer. Select Composition in the menu bar, select Save Frame As, Photoshop Layers. The Save As dialog will be displayed, so you can save it as a Photoshop layer by clicking Save button after specifying the destination and file name. This is the end of the lecture on how to export a frame of the composition as an image or Photoshop file. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.